This 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible is for sale, and in this video, we're not just repeating the seller's listing, we'll walk you through the details provided by the owner, and just as importantly, we'll cover what you should know before making a buying decision on a classic like this. Finished in a deep burgundy over a black interior, this Corvair immediately stands out. Not because it's loud or flashy, but because it's rare, distinctive, and genuinely different from the usual classics you see on the road. It's the kind of car that stops people mid-conversation at a gas station. This example is located in Glendale, Arizona, and that matters. It's a clean title Arizona car and, according to the owner, completely rust-free, which is a huge advantage when you're looking at a 1960s convertible. Rust is often the biggest hidden cost in classics, and this car avoids that issue entirely. The exterior presents well overall. The burgundy paint looks satisfactory in the images, the body lines are clean, and the stance is classic Corvair. Tires appear average but serviceable, making this more of a cruiser than a show-only car, which honestly fits its personality perfectly. Under the rear deck lid is what makes the Corvair so unique, a rear-mounted, air-cooled flat-six engine, something you simply don't see in most American cars. This one is equipped with the desirable 140 horsepower setup and paired with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive and accessible even if you're new to classic cars. The seller describes this car as turnkey and ready to go. It starts up, runs, and drives properly, and everything works as it should. No mechanical issues are mentioned, and it's been enjoyed as a weekend cruiser. It also has a nice-sounding exhaust that adds character without being intrusive. Inside, the black Monza interior looks clean and well-kept. Bucket seats, a simple dash layout, and a driver-focused feel give it a sporty yet relaxed atmosphere. The interior condition appears good based on the images, and there's an AM/FM stereo installed so you can enjoy the drive with some music as the top is down. Now, here's something important for buyers to understand. The 1965 model year is considered the best year for the Corvair. This was the first year of the second-generation redesign, and Chevrolet finally gave the car a fully independent rear suspension, similar in concept to the Corvette. This change dramatically improved handling and stability compared to earlier models and completely transformed how the car drives. That means this Corvair isn't just interesting, it's actually enjoyable behind the wheel. It's not a muscle car, and it's not trying to be. It's a smooth, balanced cruiser that rewards relaxed driving and shines most when you're just enjoying the road. The Corvair itself has a fascinating place in American automotive history. Built from 1960 to 1969, it was Chevrolet's only mass-produced rear-engine car and one of the boldest design decisions ever approved by Detroit. The 1965 model year is widely regarded as the high watermark, offering the best blend of styling, engineering, and performance. This Monza convertible represents that peak perfectly. It's stylish, easy to live with, and different in a way that feels refreshing. The seller mentions it gets lots of compliments, and that's easy to believe. This is a car that draws curiosity wherever it goes. With just 67,000 miles and an asking price of $9,000, this Corvair offers strong value in today's classic car market. You're getting a rust-free Arizona car, a desirable configuration, and something you can actually drive and enjoy, not just store in a garage. If you're considering buying a classic and want something that stands apart from the usual Mustangs and Camaros, this 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible deserves a serious look. It's fun, it's different, and it's for sale, and now you know what really matters before deciding if it's the right one for you.
If you're interested in buying this 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible, the link to the listing is available in the description below. Just a quick disclaimer, we do not own this vehicle, and we are not selling this or any other car. All information shared in this video is gathered from publicly available listings and social media posts for vehicles currently for sale, and we present it only to help viewers make informed buying decisions. Please always prioritize your safety when dealing with any transaction online. And as a final piece of advice, always have the vehicle inspected by a trusted, qualified mechanic before you make a purchase. Good luck and happy hunting.